Installation of this dashboard phone holder was really simple. You just peel off the backing and you place it on a clean flat surface. And one feature I really like is the automatic locking design. I can place my phone in with one hand and it stays securely in place, making it easy to use without fumbling around. And the holder has soft silicone contact points, so when I put my phone in or take it out, I haven't noticed any scratches or marks on my phone. And a 360-degree rotating mount lets me quickly adjust the viewing angle for navigation or whether I want to use the phone in portrait or landscape mode. And it is designed to fit into most smartphone sizes. This is my husband's phone that is a bit smaller and thinner. Mine is thicker and larger rather, and fits great. I have not seen any adhesive residue after removing it and repositioning it, which I can do on both glass and the dashboard. And again, I like the silicone base, can be washed and reused if it gets dusty. It's a practical dashboard phone holder that is easy to install and keeps my phone stable while driving. So I highly recommend this one. It's great.